Most verbs in Gaelic form their past tense by simply leniting their root. Cuth, put or send for example, is chuth in the past tense. Chuth mi siase, I put it down. And the dependent form is simply do chud, as in the question, and do chudu fallave. Did you send it away? But a small number of irregular verbs have unusual past tense forms, very different from their root. The past tense of feich, to see, is chumach, with its dependent form fachge, as in the question, am fachge tu. The past tense of rach, to go, is chai, and its dependent form jech, kach and jechu. Gian, in the past tense, is urrainn. J urrainn sin and J. Chad urrainn sin móran. And don't confuse the past tense of hodd, give or bring, which is hook, and huad, the past tense of fai, to get or find. Huad sin seomar spatial, we got a smart room. But who could go seomar spatial, they gave me a smart room.